Hey everybody, Jim here again. I just wanted to show everybody in this video 3 things about the Sienna that I don't see much of out in YouTube or in the internet. So what I wanted to provide to you is some content that may be useful to you or whoever owns a 4th Gen Sienna. I own a 2021, but yeah, so whoever wants to know these 3 things, just watch the video. Yeah, so for anybody looking under the hood or familiar with changing a battery, you normally see a battery in the engine bay with a positive and a negative terminal. It's not so in the Sienna. What you're going to see is a whole bunch of stuff and you're not going to see a battery. The battery is actually located in the back. So you might wonder to yourself, hey Jim, I can just open the trunk and jump the battery from there. But the thing about that is, while that's true, the whole van is pretty much battery operated. I mean, to open the trunk, you literally need the remote unless you take off a panel from the inside, and then you have to use a tool to physically open the door. And most people do not have the tools, nor do they have the time for that. So I'm going to show you how to jump the battery. First things first, we're going to open the hood. Obviously the hood latch is right here. You want to pull it right there. Next, you'll want to release the hood latch outside, raise the hood, and then prop it up. You'll have a little arrow indicating where the prop should go. The positive terminal is located under this relay and fuse box cover. To release it, you're just going to want to press on the 3 tabs right here. This is what it looks like with the cover off. You can see the positive terminal over there. To gain access to it, you want to flip it open, just like so. And that's where you want to latch the positive jumper cable. You want to make sure it touches that metal contact right there. For the grounding point, typically anything that is bare metal that's connected to the engine is usually a good place to put the negative jumper cable, but Toyota has made it easy. Simply attach your ground or negative cable here and you've made the connections to jumpstart your car. Now, to jumpstart your car, having a portable jump starter is great to have, and I'll be using it here for demonstration. The red cable or the positive cable is connected right here. And this is where the black or negative cable is going to connect. Do not mix these connections up or you'll screw up your van. So when I'm ready to jumpstart the car, I simply just flip this switch from off to on and it'll give my battery a boost. Well, my starter battery a boost, and then I can just press the start button in the van. This is much more convenient than using a set of jumper cables and another car. This unit right here runs a little over $100, but I got it for free as a gift. Once you get the van started, remember to remove your jump starter, replace this cover on the fuse and relay box, and close your hood. Oh yeah, and if you can't get in because your battery's dead, Toyota has made it really simple. See that right there? You can get in that way. Toyota has hidden a key inside your key fob, and right here. And this little button releases the key. Just give it a little push like this, and it'll pop up. Then you just insert and turn and pull the door latch. Now this next thing about the Sienna is probably more useful to the wives out there. See that little thing that I pointed to? These are actually for shopping bags. And you can hang them instead of letting them sit in your cargo bin. This is how it looks when you do it. This is right behind the third row. And I wonder what this was for the longest time. It's also a hanger for bags. This is right at the second row. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you found this useful, and I hope it helps you enjoy your Sienna more. If you have any more questions, just leave some in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.